Welcome back to Daytime Live. Right now, we're joined by gospel artist Kevin Downswell. Welcome, General.
Kevin, we're not wasting no time. Come on, just sing and want to sing. But tell us about your new single, Light.
Lights. We just dropped it. Big up to Triton.
Yeah.
Triton Music. This brother called and said, hey, we're doing a compilation album. And him said, this is the rhythm. And the minute he sent the rhythm, brother, in 5 minutes the song came. And the song is basically saying, hey, don't let your lights go out. We're in a dark world, we're going through dark light, we're going through dark stuff. All kind of stuff happening, but there's something within you that's greater than what's happening in this world. And that's the presence of God. So it's about, hey, young people, brother, sister, auntie, uncle, no matter what you're going through, don't let your lights go out. That's it.
Awesome. The stage is yours, brother.
Yeah.
The performance is yours. Do you think?
Don't let your light go out. Don't let your light. Hey. Close your eyes. It's okay. Take a step, then the other. You won't sink. Hey, you won't fail. If you fall, try again. I see your light shining. Don't let your light go out. Don't let your light go out. Hey, I see your light shining. Don't let your light go out. Don't let your light go out. Darkness can't understand why you're still breathing after all they've done. Cause greater is he that's within you than the kingdoms of this world. You're bigger, you're greater, no foe can defeat you. Lift up your head. I see your light shining. Don't let your light go out. Don't let your light go out. I'm talking to you. I see your light shining. Don't let your light go out. Don't let your light go out. If you're a warrior, stand up. If you're a victor, stand up. You're a survivor. You're more than a conqueror. If you're a miracle, God is with you. Jesus fighting for you. He'll never leave you. I see your light shining. Don't let your light go out. Don't let your light go out. Hey, I see your light shining. Don't let your light go out. Don't let your light go. You know it by now. Sing for me. Say, I see your light. Hey, shining. Don't let your light go out. Don't let your light go out. One more say, I see your light. Oh, shining. Don't let your light go out. So things we know TVJs all across the world. Right here, so Asia, lights. Europe, lights. North America, lights. Africa, lights. Australia, lights. The Caribbean, lights. No matter where you come from, lights. Jamaica, lights. Tivoli, lights. Jungle, lights. Maximilian come from, lights. Pianla, lights. Flankers, lights. Meerpen, lights. Mobile, lights. Spanish Town, I see your light. Hey, shining. Don't let your light go out. Don't let your light go. Oh, oh, oh.
Listen,
Awesome stuff, man. Awesome.
Blessings, brother. Blessings.
Kevin, right now, Craigie needs some light. From yesterday 1 o'clock, I'm not like I'm out.
Whoa.
Yeah,
Whoa.
We need to see the light shining. So, where can we find you performing next locally?
Well, check out, we're going to be in Mandeville 28th. The 29th is Portland. I'm going to Guam actually this week. Next week, Guam is Philippines, Indonesia
Yeah.
for a week. And then I'll be back for Come Celebrate in Montego Bay on October 5th.
Come celebrate.
And just jump onto Instagram and of course, stream the song, Lights. Go to YouTube right now, watch it and be blessed.
Well, your Instagram, yeah?
Instagram, Kevin Downswell. Twitter, Kevin Downswell. Facebook, Kevin Downswell Ministry. Blessings.
Awesome. That's it. Thank you very much for tuning in. Catch us back on Friday with a whole heap more buzz.
Chat, vibe.
Mix. Yeah, mix of my thing. You be an artist, I think. Mad thing. Big up.
Please, get Craigie light.
Yeah.
Hey, lights. Lights. Whoa, lights. Don't let your light go out. Don't let your light go out. Don't let your light go out.